Life isn't about material things. It is about people, memories, and your role as a person. The beauty of life is broadly seen after we're not here anymore. Have you ever asked yourself, what if you only have one day left to live? I'm grateful for having a happy long life where I have a loving family, friends, and my wonderful fiance. Communication is the best way to build a stronger relationship in any home. Tomorrow can be anyone's last gift. Live as you own it and live like there's no tomorrow. Say to someone how much you love them. Call your family. Work the best at your job. If you already chose the right one for you, it's good. But if not, move on and find something else that's true for you. Try your time in the morning routine to do something that motivates you right away. Make a coffee, make a breakfast, read some book, or get your body moving with some yoga. That one thing can make a big difference in the mindset and the mood throughout the day. We cannot take back time because 1 second gone, it is gone. We complain every day we don't have enough time to do things. We wish you have more. If you have more time to live, will you try your best for every moment or keep wasting your time on nothing? Answer the question. You can get lost in something to find happiness. Read a book, journal your day or a week, take a walk to be with Mother Nature, and even cook a favorite meal. Please be grateful that you have a perfect body, a bright brain, and a strong heart.
I don't know what's real anymore.
There's no denying that as a society, we are experiencing more pressures than ever.
With you, I just want to talk with you.
Life is too short, and we cannot let it go day by day without evaluating it. No one can tell you how important your life is to you. You are the main actor and actress in that movie.
I just want to know how you feel. Should I forget you? Should I hold on to those precious days so long ago now? I really just want to give my love to you, but you're far away.